If you have asthma, you might think exercising is impossible. But there are safe and effective ways to stay fit. Don't let asthma hold you back from a healthy lifestyle. With the right precautions, you can exercise without worry. Start by consulting your doctor and creating an asthma action plan tailored to your needs. Choose activities that are less likely to trigger your asthma, like swimming or walking. Always warm up before exercising and cool down afterward to prevent asthma symptoms. Keep your inhaler nearby during workouts in case you need it, and take breaks if you feel breathless. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. Gradually increase the intensity of your workouts over time. Remember to breathe through your nose and exhale slowly to reduce the risk of asthma attacks. Stay hydrated and avoid exercising in extreme weather conditions that can worsen your asthma symptoms. By following these tips and working closely with your healthcare team, you can enjoy the benefits of exercise while managing your asthma.